following video is a HAAS VF-4 CNC vertical machining center. This unit is new 2006. First thing we'll do is we'll show the spindle, then the axes, and then a tool change. This machine has a 10,000 RPM spindle. It is a gearbox, so it is a high and low gear. What we'll do is we'll start it out at 1,000 RPM. We're currently in low range. 1,000 RPM. $1,500 RPM at low range. I'm going to go to 2,000 RPM. It's going to shift into high gear. Machine shifted, 2,000 RPM. Here's 5,000 RPM. Next will be 7,500. 7,500 RPM. And lastly will be 10,000 RPM, top speed of the spindle. RPM. Next, we'll show the axes. The Y. Your X. Z. We do a tool change. Again, the following video is a HAAS VF-4 2006